Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix KB5050577 fails to install error in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go Windows 11 setting, then click on System. In this, little bit scroll down, then click on Troubleshoot. In this, you can see here other troubleshooter. Click here, then click on Windows Update Run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Open the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to apply. Here you type some of the commands. Those commands I will give you on my video description. Copy first command, then paste here. Hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, copy and paste these all commands. After doing this, close this window. Once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.